Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to start about another question regarding MRCS. Based on eMRCS, we will discuss all the questions of eMRCS, more than 2000 of questions. Also the recalls and Fawzia sheets and other question if possible. So stay tuned with us and crack the MRCS. Here the question is, which of the following is not an intrinsic muscle of the hand? That means, here we can see, here this is intrinsic muscle of the hand and not. So we have to find out intrinsic muscle of the hand, and in this option there is a muscle which is not the intrinsic muscle of the hand. So here options are opponens pollicis, palmaris longus, flexor pollicis longus, flexor digiti minimi brevis, opponens digiti minimi. So let's see the intrinsic muscle of the hand. Here the intrinsic muscle, they are lumbricals, dorsal interossei, palmar or volar interosseous, and others such as thenar muscle and hypothenar muscle. So these 5 groups are intrinsic muscle. So intrinsic muscle group are lumbricals, dorsal interosseous, volar or palmar interosseous, thenar muscle group, and hypothenar muscles. So here lumbricals, dorsal and volar interosseous. Here we can see the lumbricals, they are flexor digitorum profundus and dorsal interosseous adjacent metacarpals, and volar interosseous, they are also present adjacent metacarpal. And here the thenar muscle and hypothenar muscle, here we can see thenar muscles are abductor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis, flexor pollicis brevis, adductor pollicis. In this case we can see in the all name there is one name is common in the thenar group. This is pollicis, abductor pollicis, opponent pollicis, flexor pollicis brevis, and adductor pollicis. So in the thenar group all are the pollicis, abductor pollicis brevis, opponens pollicis, flexor pollicis brevis, and adductor pollicis. And in case of hypothenar muscle, we can see here there palmaris brevis, abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi brevis, opponens digiti minimi. Here we can see some of the similarities such as minimi. Here in the hypothenar muscle, it is actually minimi group with palmaris brevis. Here we can see the hypo mean less, that means minimi. So hypothenar muscles, they are palmaris brevis, abductor digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi brevis, and opponens digiti minimi. So here the thenar groups and hypothenar groups of the muscles. Thenar groups contain all the pollicis and hypothenar minimi with palmaris brevis. So here we can see the two pictures. In the first picture we can see here some muscles present, and the muscles are dorsal interossei, and dorsal interossei we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. So dorsal interossei, they are 4 in number. Here we can see palmar interossei. Here palmar interossei, they are present here, but they not present in this middle finger. So it is one of the MRCS question that the palmar interosseous which is absent in which finger. Here it is middle finger. In the middle finger, palmar interosseous muscle absent. So dorsal interossei, palmar interossei, they are intrinsic muscles of the hand. Here we can see some other muscle. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are called lumbricals muscle. So here the lumbricals are also the intrinsic muscle. Here the lateral two lumbricals, here it is supplied by the median nerve, but medial two lumbricals, they are supplied by the ulnar nerve. So here we can see the lumbricals muscles here. 1 2 3 4. So 4 in number lumbricals muscle. And here we also can see the thinner group of the muscle. There opponens pollicis, abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, and adductor pollicis. And also we can see two muscles from the hypothenar group, such as abductor digiti minimi and flexor digiti minimi brevis. Here in this picture we can see the hypothenar muscles here: opponens digiti minimi, abductor digiti minimi, and flexor digiti minimi brevis. Here the flexor digiti minimi brevis, opponens digiti minimi, and abductor digiti minimi, they are hypothenar muscles, and in this part they are thinner muscle. So thinner muscle, hypothenar muscle, lumbricals, dorsal interossei, palmar interossei, they are the intrinsic muscle of the hand. So one of the mnemonics of the to remember the intrinsic group of the muscle: a of a of a, a of a of a. We can remember by this: a of a of a of a of a for abductor pollicis brevis, O for opponens pollicis, A for flexor pollicis brevis, A for adductor pollicis, O for opponens digiti minimi, F for flexor digiti minimi brevis, and A for abductor digiti minimi. So another mnemonics for intrinsic muscle of the hand: all for one, one for all. So here the abductor pollicis brevis, flexor pollicis brevis, opponent pollicis, adductor pollicis, opponens digiti minimi, flexor digiti minimi, abductor digiti minimi. So it is quite easy to remember this thinner group, hypothinner group, dorsal interossei, palmar interossei, and lumbricals. These 5 groups of muscle are intrinsic muscle of the hand. So finally here we can see our final answer is palmaris longus. Here palmaris longus muscle, which is not intrinsic muscle of the hand. And other muscles, so we can see opponent pollicis, it is pollicis, that means thumb. Here we can see another pollicis, this means thumb. Digiti minimi, that means it is hypothinner group. Another minimi, this is hypothinner group. So here minimi group, hypothinner, pollicis group, this is thinner, and palmaris longus, it is not intrinsic muscle, but palmaris brevis is intrinsic muscle. You have to remember. Thank you.